Hi Leo, thank you for joining me here. This is gonna be your love message reading, and I already shuffled, pull out the card, put it on the table as you can see, so that you can solely focus on delivering the message. And this is your energy, this is the person you're dealing with, and this is a free flowing intuitive reading. Please take it as it resonates, take whatever resonates, and leave what doesn't, okay? Let's see what's going on here. So your current energy, ten of water and hierophant, it's such a nice energy, Leo. Like absolutely, I feel like you are just you are happy, you are very content, you are just happy the way you are improving the where you are at this moment in your life. You feel very content, you feel like things are coming together at the end, at last. There is a certain sense of, you don't feel like, oh, you need to achieve that, you need to achieve that. There is no push, there is no rush, you just feel very comfortable where you are. And backed up with the hierophant, I really feel like there is a lot of focus on some kind of commitment, either commitment to your work or commitment to, I'm also getting, maybe you recently got into some kind of relationship which actually gives you a sense of commitment, more serious, something that stabilizes you. It could be for some of you, just take it as it resonates. Whatever this hierophant, it's like you are just feeling very comfortable right now. You feel like you reached a phase in your life where finally you can like there is, I'm also getting the sense of settling down. And whatever that settling down means, settling down not always means marriage or anything. Like however way, you can settle down just by with yourself, like however you feel that you are settled. Both I'm getting a lot of financial, even though this is a water, but this is like these coins, it is like the bubbles. It's almost like a pentacle. So there is like a lot of maybe you financially you feel much more secure, and you are just in a good spot right now. That's all I'm getting. You are really very good spot. You are not in like it's not that past kind of haunting you or tormenting you. I don't see that. I feel like you already crossed that phase, and you will reach to a phase where you feel much more content, much more in control, much more grounded, and you are really having fun. Like you are not grumpy, or you are not like, oh, I need to do that, all this focused and rigid. Yeah, there is a certain sense of flexibility that's coming out of you also. You are maybe having fun with your friends, you're trying to have a positive outlook at your workspace, in your life. When you talk to your relative or your friends, there is some sense of positivity, a very jovial vibe that I'm getting with the ten of water backed up with the hierophant. That's where you are currently. Okay, your person is currently hangman and moon. They're all in their feelings right now. I mean, I'm not gonna say they're all in their feeling. There is some sense of casuality I'm getting, like a casual approach. Maybe they are either I don't know, I don't like to say that word. What would be the another way of describing immaturity? Like there is a they yeah, like emotional development. I feel like this person does not have that much. They have lot of they need a lot of life experience, let's say in that way. And they are trying to reflect on, like, what's going on, like, what happened. There is some sense of reflection there, but there is also some sense of casual approach toward that. It's not that they are dead fast to really understand what went down between you and them, or what caused I'm absolutely serious. Like, I'm getting you two are separated, but there is a need, there is a want in their emotion, that they want to understand that what happened. They want to understand what they did wrong, or what you did wrong, or what they did right or you did right. Like, understand the situation, circumstances. But there is, at the same time, there is certain kind of, almost like a too chill kind of energy I'm getting. Like, they are not really that sincere about this contemplation, they are not really that sincere about this reflection. It's like, but at the same time, it's letting them, it making them kind of stay in the same zone, same. You definitely moving on, you definitely moving onwards, but they are like in the same kind of energy, and they're kind of okay with it. and they don't feel like that they're being stuck or anything. They're just to chill kind of energy. I feel like they just take life very casually. I feel like that's the way they treat life. That's their way of treating life. But they are definitely trying to look deeper into the situation between you and them, and trying to reflect on their emotion, like what they are and all that. But I don't think they're doing it very involvedly, let's say in this way. Okay, so and there your recent past is Five of Swords and the Fool in reverse. Yeah, I feel like that there was a little bit of I don't know. I'm getting like childishness, like casual, too casual. You never really felt that this person is invested in you, even though it is their way of being invested, but that way is not enough for you. You always feel like that something is it just I don't know, something is not very sincere. You feel like that. You feel like you have to always have to take control of the situation. You have to make things happen, otherwise things doesn't get done. You feel like you need to be all the time kind of be instead of being a partner, you kind of became almost almost like a elder sibling kind of energy I'm getting. It's like you need to be, like any kind of decision I have to make, so you have to be the matured one to make the decision. If something fight happened or something happened, you have to be the bigger, like matured one to really reconcile and this and that. So there is you felt a little tired and exhausted, and there was a little like you knew that you know you wanted to go all the way in this connection, but some your intuition kind of held you back. So you had the tendency, when you met this person, when you got in a connection with them, you felt that you can do anything for them. You feel like they are like your boo, like you can do anything for them. You really wanted to go in that kind of serious space, but something just held you back because of this kind of energy, immaturity, too much casual, chill, cool, kind of that kind of not involved, like not invested kind of energy held you back to really dive deep into this. But you wanted to. And their recent past is the Hermit in reverse and the Eight of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. This person energy is very interesting. So they are like they felt that something is going down. They felt that they are disappointing you, or they are this connection is not really forming the way you desired, even they desired, but they knew that it's not happening, and they are very aware of it, but they couldn't do anything. It's like, and I don't think they talk to you about that, but they kind of got very anxious about failing you. There is, I'm also getting that word, they felt like that they are failing you somewhere, but they wanted to, but they couldn't come out as a like a matured wise person with like with some kind of input to give. They just got caught in their mind, and they couldn't really come up with some kind of, okay, let's talk about this, okay, let's deal like we are mature adult, let's treat like that. They couldn't do that, they somehow couldn't do that. But at the same time, Wheel of Fortune, they felt that it all gonna be okay. you know with the time, everything gonna be okay between you and them. They just knew that. And even though there is like a lot of anxiety, a lot of like they're failing you, but somehow they knew, like they like, okay, it's gonna be all okay. Me and Leo gonna be together. I don't know how, but we are gonna be together. So there is a lot of optimism. Almost, I'm feeling like there's a little bit of delusion here. They know that they are not coming. There is like a big mismatch is going on, but they felt like, no, it's all gonna be okay. Somehow it's all gonna be fixed. I don't know who is gonna fix, but they thought somehow it's all gonna be fixed and everything gonna go in their favor. So that's what they were. So now this is the emotional realm. Now see where you are emotionally. Nine of Wands in reverse. Yeah, you held it. Like you tried your level best to really, really, really like take the charge, like take charge of it, and really like be the mature one, be the bigger person, be the better person, and be the sailor of this boat. But you contemplate it. I with the fool in reverse, I can see that you wanted to go, you really felt this connection with this person, you wanted to build something that is fruitful, that is something that gives you, that has some kind of solid future. It doesn't have to be a traditional way, but it felt emotionally, which feels solid. You wanted to go there, you tried everything, you did your level best to really like maintain your passion, maintain your like still like burning that fire for them, like in your heart, and you did all these things. But you crossed the fence, you crossed the fence, you really moved on. I mean, I'm gonna say that you really moved on. You crossed the fence because like look at this magician in reverse. You are not manifesting anymore, you are not focused on this connection anymore, because there is nothing that you realize that you are intelligent enough and you are matured enough. Sometimes they say that you can, what's the proverb phrase, they said that you can recognize if I mean, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but they said you can recognize if a cat is a hunter just by looking at their whiskers. The meaning is like, you have enough wisdom to know, especially after dealt with like so many months, or I think it could be months, few months, or maybe couple of years with this person. Like you realize that that you cannot really manifest that. What you need, they cannot, this connection cannot provide you. It's not because that they are going to change all of a sudden in a miracle. I mean, they can, but you realize that they are who they are and the way they are, and it's not going to satisfy you, so you stop manifesting, you manifesting it. You kind of you lost focus in that, you definitely lost focus in that. And then we got Seven of Pentacles. Look at this. I really getting with the Hierophant, with this Taurian card, Seven of Pentacles, again the Virgo card. You are really focusing on yourself, you're really focusing on either yourself, like your life, whether that your life incorporate other person. I'm getting a sense, maybe for few, you are already met someone that you feel like a good match. You feel that you can build something with them. I'm with the Ten of Water, I'm also getting, and the Hierophant, you're looking for commitment, Leo. You are looking for somebody that you can really emotionally feel secure. You don't have to do all this back and forth like a immature drama, like catch and like cat and mouse kind of game and all that. I feel like you are just not there in your life. You kind of passed all this phase, all those, you really want to build something, you really want to build something, you really want to grow something. And I really feel that you got somebody is already, maybe you're already kind of getting to know them, and you feel like that they are a good match, you can build something with them. And then we got Ace of Cups in reverse and the Queen of Wands in reverse. Yes, do you feel for this person? Yes, do you feel? You feel, excuse me. Ace of Cups, like I said, I got that, but when you met this person, you really wanted to go all the way in. And all of a sudden, your love is not going to disappear. The emotion is still there, but the emotion, our emotion takes different form depending on how we are channeling the energy. The emotion is there, but you are not really, like, emotion is not overruling you. Yes, you care for them, once you love them, you acknowledge that you moved on, and right now your focus is in Queen of Wands, which is your card. Your focus is on, you got something, maybe it's a work or some person. I'm getting a high probability of you already got in a connection with another person, and this person is really making you feel excited again. This person is really making you feel like that this time something can really, real things can happen. Real things can happen. You can see that, you can feel like this time you can make something out of it. It's not just gonna be like just constant effort to mold something into something else, mold somebody into somebody else. You don't want to do that, but you are not also denying that you held love for this person. You held such some kind of compassion and care for this person, but that is there. It's in the back burner. It's there, but you're focusing on what you have right now in your hand. And I feel like there is a very lucrative things that going on in your life, either work wise or connection wise. Somebody is sparking up your fire again, and you see the potential to really go all the way in with this person. So let's say something going on with I was like all fine, all of a sudden I cannot really, my throat is all over the place. Maybe I don't know, something going on with the, yeah, maybe you guys need to, I don't know, if you have, maybe you have to express something, like maybe write it down or talk to, just put it out there, because I'm my throat chakra is really getting affected. But anyway, so where they are with in emotionally, three of cups and knight of wands. This person is seriously like, emotionally they are feeling like, oh, like, because right now they are contemplating, right, but there is a certain sense of casual thing, and they are feeling like, oh, now I am really taking, for them contemplating on their emotion is a very mature act. So for them they are feeling like, yeah, I'm now becoming more mature. Leo gonna be more satisfied with me because I am becoming more mature. I am really contemplating what I did wrong or what they did wrong. I'm really looking into the situation much closer, like with the moon, and I'm paying attention to emotion. And they feel more, they do that, they feel more optimistic that you guys gonna be together. They feel like, okay, it's gonna all gonna happen. Three of cups, they feel optimistic, they really feel optimistic. They feel like, yeah, things gonna happen. And I'm also getting that they are also like, like having kind of they're fun, they're having fun in life. And I'm also getting maybe they are doing some kind of, they're like they're hanging out with their friends. Maybe they are getting some kind of, I don't think love or anything. This person, I feel like it's not that this person doesn't love you, it just they are yet to know what love means to them. I feel like they are in the process, they are in the phase, they're in the stage of their life where they are still figuring out a lot of stuff. So maybe there is a huge maturity difference between you and them, or age gap, or it's just the mature emotional development. Maturities, you are highly emotionally developed, but they are just starting that process. And I'm getting this casual energy, very very casual. And they're like, going out with friends, they are doing all this stuff because they, in their mind, they feel like you are always going to be there. They're just going to take their time. Whenever they're ready, you are always going to be there somehow. That's the thing I got, wheel of fortune. They feel like this is like fated, you and them are gonna be together. So they just take it for granted. Oh, somebody to, oh my god, I just got this way. They just know this is a fated relationship, and that's why they take it for granted. Okay. And they are just having fun and all that. And they also feel good, that they feel like, okay, now I'm contemplating on my emotion. So Leo cannot really but tell me that I'm not taking responsibility, but I'm taking responsibility. But and I don't know, this is a very funny energy. And the justice, the justice is there again is telling me that they are just trying to, they are all focused on themselves. I'm gonna say this person is they're very mature, when it comes to love and all that, because they are still figuring out what love means to them. What is love for them, what is commitment, what is connection. They feel connected with you, they feel like this is like a fated event, and it's gonna happen. And they also feel like, with the justice, they feel like, what, as long as I'm figuring out what I did wrong, as long as I am growing up, I am taking responsibility by day, this connection gonna be happen. I'm gonna make Leo happy because I am doing some kind of progress. Yeah, I mean that's what they feel. Because again, look at this, the wheel again, because they feel like it's a fated event. In their mind, they feel like that No matter what they do, no matter where they go, no matter where you go, this connection is fated. So it doesn't matter what they do. So they and they feel like they have ample amount time. Oh, so this is their mental. Oh my God, I'm getting these messages. They feel like if this is a fated, if they, you and them are supposed to be together, so they have their a lot of time to figure things out before they can come to you, because you guys are gonna be together anyway. So why rush it? So they are just having their life, and at the same time they know that you like to, you want them to grow up, like emotionally. So they are doing the little bit of emotional reflection. At the same time they are very chilled and casual, and then feel like just because they are reflecting on emotion, it's gonna impress you because they are taking some kind of responsibility. But look at this. At the end, I think somehow they are gonna know that you moved on, because this came right under the Queen of Wands and Ace of Cups in reverse. They are gonna know you moved on, and they are gonna feel very devastated. They are gonna feel like how this happened. This is like a fated star. This is like a star fated connection. How this happened, and then they are gonna realize it's gonna make them. It's gonna actually, this is a karmic relationship between you two. It's gonna actually make them much more responsible. They are gonna wake up finally. They're gonna realize that they never really, sometimes they have to be bull, like a bull, right? Like really be in the, like be really show up, not just floating and all that. It's nice, we all wanna float, but if we do not have our ground on the, our feet on the ground, we need to come back some time. We need to balance our four element. This gonna be a very awakening kind of um relationship event for them. The moment they're gonna know that you truly deeply moved on, even though you love them, but it's not, that's a different kind. Now that love had turned into a different kind, it took a different shape, and you are focusing on somebody else because that's where you find fulfillment, because you are on the 10 of water. You are fulfilled, you are feeling very good, and that's gonna, this person gonna wake up, this kind of person gonna really gonna feel like they just lost the biggest thing that they wanted in life, and it's gonna make them much more responsible, and it's gonna start a journey with the responsibility. They're gonna take the responsibility, like they're gonna. And I'm also getting that there is a little bit of selfish energy here, because they're kind of focusing on them, like, but it doesn't come from a bad intention. It just, I'm saying that this person is just very beginning of the road to figure things out. Okay, what would be your recent future is like, if you follow this energy, this is the one way it can turn out to be. Seven of Pentacle again, you are focusing on your stability. You are focusing on this connection that you got, or the job that you got, whatever gives you sense of stability. You are really focused on it. And yeah, you this person, I feel like you two are soulmate, and not all soulmate are supposed to be together, but you two are, you feel that there is a, they were your wish fulfillment. They used to be, they used to be your wish fulfillment. You used to feel like you never felt that passionate as you felt for this person, and there is a lot of, you contemplate from time to time. Sometimes you contemplate because you missed that passion, like that passionate love that you felt in your heart for this person. Because with the Fool and Reverse, I feel like when you met this person, you feel like you can do anything for them. Right now you're thinking about more maturely, you're thinking about what can work, what is your good match and all that. But these things is almost like an impromptu. It just came and rock your world, and you contemplate on that from time to time. But nonetheless, that's not overpowering energy. Your energy main focus is your stability responsibility, your growth, your connection that you're connecting with. If you I feel like this person, if it is a person with the Queen of Wands that you recently met, and you feel I feel like you guys can, it's as a pop, there is a high possibility that you guys gonna get into a committed, very committed relationship, and you are gonna be very loyal to that. You are gonna put your everything into that, and you are focused on that. But that, but you think about this connection with this person and how you felt. There is a emotional involvement there, and you are not denying it. And this person, look at this, they have Three of Pentacles in reverse, Eight of Cups in reverse, Queen of Cups. Do they have a lot of feelings? Yes. Once they wake up, they have a lot of feelings. They are going to be much more responsible, but it's a all journey. They are going to hold a lot of, but they are not going to share it, because they know that you moved on, because they also know, that, like Eight of Cups, like what really happened, what spilled the water, you know really looking at the spilled water and accepting it. They're still not accepting it, that they still, I feel like this person a little, mm, I don't know, they're still not accepting it, but they're not coming forward. They hold a lot of emotion for you. They love you in their way, but they're still, working on to take responsibility, or make amends with this, or build something. Maybe they have a less of earth on their chart or something like that. Like they are still struggling with really making things happen in reality, and they are still not accepting completely that the water, the things have spilled. It's like a spilled milk, you cannot really drink it. And like they are still struggling to accept that, because they hold a lot of emotion for you. But it just when it comes to reality, they still don't know how to take responsibility, even though they're going through a awakening road, and it's gonna take some time, but this is immediate future. That's where they're gonna be emotionally. I hope you get something out of it, Leo, and I will talk to you next time. Okay, take care, bye.